Gardening helps individuals develop character traits and skills that can benefit any relationship or community. The first character trait that gardening teaches is patience. Urban and suburban areas tend to be a rush and hurry type of environment. In cooking, microwave ovens, fryers, and other detrimental cooking devices are used to speed up the cooking process. When seeking a relationship, there is not much time for courtship. We have developed ways to rush into relationships because the demanding, fast-paced urban lifestyle does not leave a lot of time to develop a relationship. Even in gardening, it's difficult to resist the urge to use chemical feeders to speed up the growth of plants. If growing conditions exist, plants will grow at their own rate, so be patient. Gardeners must also learn proper planting. Some plants grow best in late spring and summer. Some plants grow best in late summer and fall. Some plants require more sun while other plants require less sun. Keeping this in mind, gardeners must know what they are going to plant as well as when and where they're going to plant it. The gardener learns that failing to plan can lead to a poor harvest. Gardeners must also learn to pay attention and observe or focus on the progress of plants. Do plants need more or less water? Do they need more or less sun or shade? Do they need more or less fertilizing? Troubleshooting or adapting to problems that may occur is another skill gardeners must develop. Are plants being eaten by insects or animals? Are there human invaders? Gardeners learn to take steps to defend their crops from unwanted visitors. One of the most important skills a gardener learns is how to identify allies as well as enemies of the garden. Is the neighbor spraying chemicals such as weed killer, fertilizer, or insecticides? If the answer is yes, no matter how kind, polite, or likable they are, the neighbor cannot be considered allies until they have stopped contaminating the environment. The T of character traits that gardeners must develop is extensive. Gardeners must become studious, knowledgeable, action-oriented, consistent, observant, patient, compassionate, creative, harmonious, hardworking, and constructive. Introducing children to gardening helps develop their character and grow them into well-rounded adults. Because it's never too late to learn, adults also benefit from the many lessons taught by the gardening experience. This article was written by Daku Akabo wa Akatsu.